Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This isn't just another streaming device. Leaks suggest it's turning into a gaming powerhouse, an AI hub, and the smartest Apple TV we've ever seen. In this video, I'll break down the biggest leaks, top rumored features, expected specs, release date, and pricing, so you'll know exactly what Apple has planned for your living room. Apple is about to change the game with the brand new Apple TV 4K 2025. This isn't just another streaming device. It's shaping up to be a gaming console, AI hub, and smart home controller all in one. Today I'll break down the top rumored features, specs, leaks, release date, and price that you need to know about. The big upgrade: Apple hasn't refreshed the Apple TV lineup since 2022. Leaks suggest the 2025 Apple TV 4K will finally bring a massive hardware jump. Powered by the A17 Pro chip, the same one used in iPhone 15 Pro. This could mean console-level performance right in your living room. Expect smoother streaming, faster navigation, and high-end gaming potential. Gaming revolution rumors say the new Apple TV will run AAA games like Resident Evil 4 Remake and Assassin's Creed Mirage. With Metal for Graphics API and up to 8 GB RAM, it could finally rival consoles like the Nintendo Switch. Add in Apple Arcade upgrades and possible controller bundles. And this could be Apple's first big push into the gaming world, AI and AI. Apple Intelligence, the 2025 model, will likely include support for Apple Intelligence. This means a smarter Siri, personalized recommendations, and on-device AI features. Imagine asking Siri for best movies for tonight and getting custom picks based on your taste. AI could also power smarter home automation via HomeKit. Smart Home Hub. The new Apple TV isn't just about entertainment. It's rumored to double as a HomeKit smart hub. Expect better control of lights, thermostats, security systems, and more. With a rumored Proxima chip, Wi-Fi 6E, Wi-Fi 7 plus Bluetooth 5.3, smart home connectivity will be faster and more reliable than ever. Design and software leaks suggest a slimmer, premium metallic design, possibly with a cooling fan for high-performance gaming. Running tvOS 26, which introduces a new liquid glass UI for smoother navigation, enhanced Apple Music Sing karaoke mode, easier profile switching, better multi-user support. Release date and price: Apple is expected to announce the new Apple TV 4K in September 2025, alongside the iPhone 17 lineup. Release likely in December 2025, just in time for the holidays. Pricing is a mystery entry model, may start under $100. Premium version could go around $179. This makes it the most affordable way to get into the Apple ecosystem. So there you have it, everything we know so far about the upcoming Apple TV 4K 2025. From console-level gaming and AI-powered personalization to a sleek new design and affordable price, this could be the biggest Apple TV upgrade we've ever seen. What do you think? Will the Apple TV 2025 finally replace your streaming box or even your game console? So that's everything we know so far about the upcoming Apple TV 4K 2025, from its console-level performance and AI features to its smart home integration and possible sub-$100 price point. Now I want to hear from you. Will you upgrade to the Apple TV 2025 or stick with your current setup? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's latest leaks, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest Apple news, rumors, and updates.